This is the sound of expensive bullshit. Data collected during the Juno spacecraft's flyby of Jupiter's moon Europa has been converted into audio. The variation of frequency of the plasma waves observed near Europa can be heard as the plasma density varies, according to NASA. The audio is sped up, covers 1.5 hours of Juno's observational time. Video is looped several times. So let's have a listen to bullshit. Very expensive bullshit. Sounds like R2-D2 and he's losing the plot. Right, Juno mission. What's the cost? 1.1 billion US dollars. Dear oh dear. Juno is a NASA space probe orbiting the planet Jupiter. It was built by Lockheed Martin and is operated by NASA. The spacecraft was launched from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station on the 5th of August 2011 and is part of the New Frontiers program. Dear oh dear. Let's check its achievements out. Juno achievements. Scroll down. During the prime mission's 35 orbits of Jupiter, Juno collected more than 3 terabytes of science data and provided dazzling views of Jupiter and its satellites, all processed by citizen scientists with NASA's first ever camera dedicated to public outreach. A camera dedicated to the public. Wow! Let's check that out. So I type in Juno pictures thinking, here we go. And what do I get? CGI, the usual tosh. So this so-called space probe, at a cost of 1.1 billion US dollars to the American public, provides CGI, data that can't be verified by anyone, and audio that sounds like R2-D2's losing the plot. Can you not see the problem here? Bearing in mind these people, NASA, are well-known liars who push the globe, which of course is scientifically impossible. If you're still believing this tosh, or even defending this tosh, you really need to have a word with yourself, because you're going to get left behind.